Welcome in series of combinational logic circuit. Today we will study the lecture number 5. In lecture number 5 we will study the half adder and half subtractor. Basically half adder and half subtractor are the combinational logic circuit. It is used for addition and subtraction purpose. Half adder Half adder is basically used addition of two bits. Half adder is basically use addition of two bits. This is the block diagram of half adder. In this block diagram, half adder having a two inputs A and B and two outputs sum and carry. So there is a how many inputs? Two inputs. So total combinations of truth table require the four combination. First combination is the 0 0, second combination 0 1, third combination 1 0, and fourth combination 1 1. If two input 0 0 are applied here, so addition of 0 plus 0 is nothing but sum 0 carry 0. 0 plus 1 is nothing but sum 1 carry 0. 1 plus 0 is nothing but sum 1 carry 0, and 1 plus 1 is nothing but sum 0 with carry 1. So logical expression of half adder, this is one is the logical expression of half adder. In this logical expression, this is the truth table of half adder. There are how many inputs? Two inputs, so A B. So here the A bar and this one is the A. It is used for K-map reduction technique, and this one is the B bar and B. So here the 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0. 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1, and 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0. See here, for this sum 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0. 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0. 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. And 1 plus 1 is nothing but sum 0 with carry 1. So expression, this one is the expressions 1 SOP form. So A bar B plus A B bar. So final expression is the A XOR B. And for carry this one is the A and B. This is used for carry terms. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 0, 1 plus 0 0, and 1 plus 1 1. So here these terms are used, and this one is the final expression. So C is equal to A into B. So by using this method, we draw the circuit diagram A XOR B. So here draw the A XOR B. Sum is nothing but A XOR B. So for that purpose, here draw the which gate here? XOR gate. And for the carry purpose, carry is nothing but in between A and B there is the AND gate are present. So here is the carry. Carry is equal to A into B. Carry is equal to A into B. This is the circuit diagram of half adder. Basically half adder is used to addition of two bits. Half adder having a two inputs A and B and two outputs. This one is the truth table of half adder. Half adder means addition of two bits. So 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, and 1 plus 1 is nothing but sum 0 with carry 1. After that, for the sum and carry, here use the K-map technique, and after solving K-map technique, sum is equal to A XOR B and carry is equal to A into B. And by using sum and carry, here draw the circuit diagram of XOR half adder. Now we will study the half subtractor. Half subtractor is basically used to subtraction of two bits. Here the two inputs A and B and two outputs are difference and borrow. These are the two outputs. This one is the truth table of half subtraction. In there is the how many inputs? Two inputs. So how many combinations are? Four combinations. 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, and 1 1. Differences are 0 minus 0 is nothing but 0. 1 minus 0 is nothing but 1. 1 minus 1 is nothing but difference 0 with borrow 0, and 0 minus 1 is nothing but difference 1 with borrow 1. In difference 0 minus 1 is nothing but difference 1 with borrow 1. So logical expression of here the logical expression for the difference and logical expression for the borrow. Here I am writing as logical expression of the difference. So here this here taking K-map technique, and after solving K-map technique, difference is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. See here, 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1, difference 1 with borrow 1. 1 minus 0 is nothing but 1, and 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0. So here I am writing as A bar B. This one is the A bar, this one is the A, this one is the B bar, and this one is the B. So one is nothing but A bar B here writing, and this one is nothing but A B bar. So final expression is the A XOR B. And for the difference, for the borrow purpose, 0 minus 0 is nothing but 0. 0 minus 1 is nothing but difference 1 with borrow 1. 1 minus 0 is nothing but borrow 1, and 1 minus 1 is nothing but borrow 1. So here final expression is this one is the final expression A bar B here. After writing this circuit diagram, there is the difference in between difference A XOR B. So here I am writing as XOR gate, and after that A bar is nothing but A is applied to in a NOT gate, then output is the A bar, and this one is the B, and in between A bar B there is a which gate is present here, AND gate is present here. So this is the circuit diagram of half subtractor.